Springtime is perfect for hyacinths, and these little florets, little hyacinth buds, perfect for making flower crowns or circlets. And I'm going to show you a really simple, super simple flower crown. They're very fragrant, good for flower crowns. So when you're making a flower crown, you are generally working to around a length of 50 centimeters. So to get your 50 centimeters, I'm using 2 of these stub wires, and what I will do is I'll join them in the middle. You need to leave a little bit of length at each end. So you can bend that wire back, curve, so that it'll go around the head. When you get to this point, you want to take your stem text, just pop a little bit on that end. Yeah, 2 centimeters there, and that's just gonna, and then join the 2 together, and they're gonna stick together. And then carry on. Very easy method. Make your hook. Ooh. So I'm just cutting 2 lengths of ribbon. Simple, tying it through with a simple knot on each side. Ready to wear